Hey, good morning, campers. I'm just doing a bunch of boring stuff on the bus right now. I was just doing a little bit over here next to the stereo, this back wall, and yeah, I'll just show you. Okay, so I got that wall finished up there. Got the urethane put on it. I moved that speaker and got behind it, did down this wall, and I did all the way down here to the bottom. Now next, I'm going to be putting some type of trim board, not this particular one because it's pine, but I'll be putting a birch trim board. I'm using this as my pointer, up this edge here, and I'm going to tuck these, boop, here we go, tuck these wires up in there on this side. And on the other side of this wall is the hinge area for the Murphy bed. And I'm going to be also putting one in here to tuck this all in and hide all these wires here. And, oh, I got the bed all taken out of it. And you can see I've got all these boards here for the bottom of the bed. I've got them all finished now. And I went ahead and did that backboard too while I had the finish out. Might as well get it all finished up. And for you guys that haven't seen before, this bed opens up like this, and it gets down into the cargo area there. And this board here will also come up. It's not hooked down. That one back there is. It's screwed down. You can't lift that one. And this one here folds up this direction so you can get to the water tank and the pump. I'll just go ahead and show you guys, if just in case you haven't seen it before. See, there's the water tank, and there's the pump assembly and the lines and the fill area for the water tank. But anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll get a little further along. I'll bring you guys back. Hey guys. It's late in the evening. I was just out here looking around at stuff on the bus, trying to get some ideas of what to do next. And I came up with something. So I got the TV over here, and it's got a queen bed here. And I have a tri-fold mattress. This is a third of the mattress. See? It has 3 sections that fold together. What if I measure 54 inches, that would be 2 27-inch sections of the mattress, and this is where the second fold would be. And what if I cut this right here where this hinge is, and I attach this down to where it's solid? Then the back of this would fold up as a support for your back, so you can lounge here while watching TV. I think I'm going to do that. I think that will actually work out really good. I had an extra one of these piano hinges, stainless steel piano hinges, so yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'll just have to devise some type of support, so when this end is up, I'll have to figure out a way to support that over there. Maybe some fold down arms that are hinged on this side and latch over here to the wood or something. I have to do that measurement. As far as I can tell, I'm going to need about 26 inches. So we'll just have to see how that works out. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this. And I think I'm going to install that piano hinge so I can have a hinge right there. And this will come up like this, like a back. I think that'll be a good little addition for this. Nice little lounging area to watch TV. Or, you could read. Got the reading lamps there. Or just relax and listen to music. Cool. I'll do that. I'm going to go ahead and I've cut the board. And I'm going to go ahead and put this brace in here first. I think that'd probably be the best thing to do. Let's see if we have it fitting. We do. And first things first, I'm going to I'm going to drill some holes here so I can inset the screw heads. And Lucky for me, in a past video, I had just put this plug-in down here for the shore power. There we go. Whoa, that was too fast. I punctured a hole right down through it. I'll put one right next to it. Yeah, we don't want to get too carried away there. Just enough to get the screw head below the surface. Oops, that one just rammed right through too. Man, I gotta be careful. Mess up all that good work. One, two, three, four. That's all we're going to need for right now. And this will just give a supporting lip for the back piece here. And there's one. Two. Three. And four. That one's stuck. There we go. I pre-drilled the other ones with pocket holes on the underside here. So I'll get those set into place. Here's one of them. Yeah, I became prepared this time. There. That's going to make a nice strong shelf. Okay, back with you here. So now we've got our support in over there. So this end of this board has a place to sit when it's down. And here's the piece I cut off of this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook this together right here, right there, with this piano hinge. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this piano hinge and I'll get it installed. You guys don't have to watch me do all those little screws. You know, it's just a waste of time for you. And I'll bring you back as soon as I get this done. Okay guys, I've got it all screwed down. I screwed this one down as a permanent board, and that will be the anchor for this. And this is going to come up like this. And just fold the bed out. You get a good idea what's going to happen here. So we'll fold the bed down here. Okay, So what you want to do is flip this back, raise this up to where you want it, and fold this back. And now we have a lounge. I got to put some supports on it. I have to still figure that out. But I think this is going to be real comfortable. And it'll give you a nice extra place to sit comfortably and watch TV or read. Well, now I have to build the supports. I was thinking about building them out of something like this. This is like a fiberglass tube, and it's got a rubber bottom on it. Figure some way of swinging it and locking it. I'm not sure. I still have to work it out. I'll probably end up building something out of wood. And I've got the two pieces built here for this is to do the back wall there to hide the wiring. These are going to be the two trim pieces that are going to go in that. I still have to put those in too. So I'm going to get back busy here. Hey, good morning everybody. It's December 31st. Tomorrow is New Year's. And I'd like to wish everybody a Happy New Year. Look at all the boats are missing out of the harbor. All the fishing boats they're just gone. They're out there catching crab. Crab season opened it tomorrow, I think it is. But yeah, they're all out there setting pots, getting ready. That's great. Nice to see a little commerce going on, huh? Well, I'll see you guys back at the shop. Alrighty, I got it in here. What I built was this piece right here, right to there. Then I hinged it here, here, and here. So this swings up now, see? And I put a board on that side for it to rest on, and one over here for it to rest on. So when it comes down, it sits underneath the edge of this board. So this board closes on top of it like that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open it up. Yeah, remember I'm doing this one-handed. So this goes up like this, and you just drop it down. All right, let me see if I can get this in here so you can see what's going on. So that's how it's supported. Solid as a rock. So now we have our reclining seat area. It doesn't help that I backlit it. It makes that area show up really well. But so let's slide this back, push that down, and I'll stand back a little bit so you can see it. And that's the little lounge area now. We got surround sound TV, stereo, and a nice little lounge area with reading lamps. Cool. Well, I think that was a little bit of an improvement. So, moving on to the next thing, I guess. I'm going to call an end to this video because I think it's getting a little long. And there we have it. So I'll catch you guys on the next time, and Happy New Year's to everybody. Bye-bye.